Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a free ticket on Eventbrite. Here's how to create a free ticket on an event or for an event on Eventbrite. The first thing to do is to go to eventbrite.com and log into your account. Once logged in on the Eventbrite homepage, click on the profile icon in the top right corner, which is identified with your account's email address. From the drop-down menu, select Manage My Event. And that's going to walk you into a new window. In the new window, click on Events in the left-hand navigation menu to view your list of events. So, I have not created an event on Eventbrite, but if you have created an event, you're going to find the list of all your events here. But I have a draft that is going on. Yeah. So, go ahead and click on the event for which you want to create a free ticket. So let's say you have created an event already and you want to create a free ticket for that event. Just go ahead and click on the title of the event for which you want to create a free ticket. Or you can just go ahead and start from scratch by clicking on Create Event to start creating your event from scratch. So I'm going to head over to Office Party. I'm clicking on the event title, and once I click on the event title, it's going to take me into the event management page. So in the event management page, go ahead and locate tickets in the left-hand navigation menu, which we have here, and that's Add Tickets. So click on Add Tickets. Once you click on Add Tickets, it will open the ticket management page. Now, in the ticket section, go ahead and click on, okay, so go ahead and select a ticket type, which we have here. So create ticket. Click on the ticket type, select free, because we want to create free ticket now. Instead of paid or donation, select free. Select free as the ticket type. And you have this form here at the right corner. So enter the ticket name, which is general admission, and specify the quantity available to set the number of free tickets you want to offer. Okay, then of course enter the sales start and sales time, sales end and sales end date and sales end time, sales start date, sales start time. And you can also select additional settings if you want additional settings to provide more options here, which include the ticket description, visibility, and access. So in ticket description, you can add a description if you want to provide extra details for attendees. And here we have visibility and access. Choose whether this ticket is visible to everyone or restrict access based on your preferences. Now, after filling out the necessary details, go ahead and click on Save to add the free ticket to your event. Now, if your event isn't live yet, you can just go ahead and click on Publish to make the event and ticket available to the public. Here is the Publish button. And if your event is already published, the free tickets will now appear as an option for attendees on the event page. So that's pretty much the process. And now your free ticket is available for attendees to select when they register for the event. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.